Delhi High Court will resume hearing on the plea filed by Max Hospital after the ongoing oxygen crisis in the national capital today. The court yesterday directed the centre there to ensure oxygen supply to Delhi. In fact, it said that it is the centre's responsibility to assist the state's needs. Wrapping the union government, the court said that the government has to see the reality and protect citizens' life, while it asked Arvind Kejriwal government to ensure that oxygen allocated by the centre is supplied to hospitals to deal with the emergency. The centre has now allocated 480 metric tons of oxygen to the national capital from various suppliers, as the court asked the government to ensure its smooth transportation. Assuring the court, Solicitor General Tushar Mehta that the allocated oxygen would be supplied to Delhi, while he sought for more time to argue this matter as well further. This comes as branches of Max Hospital across Delhi were about to run out of oxygen. Several other hospitals are also currently left with only few hours of oxygen supply.
Many of the small hospitals in the national capital are still struggling to find ample supply of oxygen for COVID patients. We are in Anand Vihar area right now, and this is Pushpanjali Medical Center. Nearly 37 patients of COVID are admitted here, and this hospital since last night struggled a lot to find oxygen supply for its patients, and in the morning they were able to get the oxygen supply from a nearby dealer. This is the situation when the court slammed the center due to lack of oxygen supply in Delhi. And the big hospitals, the major hospitals, are getting supplies from the nearby industrial areas in Haryana and Uttar Pradesh, but the small hospitals are still struggling to keep up the pace of the oxygen cylinder supply. With camera person Ravikant Totawar in Delhi, this is Abhishek Anand reporting for India Today.
There is the oxygen supply in most of our nursing homes, not more than from 2 to 4 hours. We requested with folded hands, please arrange oxygen for us. Please see to it that a smooth supply of oxygen is there. You assured us that you will look into it. Yesterday night has been a horrible night for me. After 1:30 there was no oxygen. Oxygen cylinders from anesthesia machines, oxygen cylinders from dialysis machines were taken out. I managed the entire night myself standing there and try to save all my patients. I have 35 patients admitted of COVID. Each and every COVID patient who is admitted in the hospital needs a oxygen supply.
Anisha Mathur reporting live from Delhi. Anisha, we're hearing some horrific accounts of what's happening at the hospitals, various hospitals reporting a serious shortage of oxygen supply. Take us through what exactly did the court observe while wrapping the central government, saying do whatever you can or have to, but oxygen must be supplied.
Well, Nabila, the High Court has made it very clear that they're not happy with the way the oxygen supply is being managed, the way the hospitals are being managed. In fact, what the court commented was, beg, borrow or steal, but you must arrange for oxygen, not just for Delhi, but for across the country. How is it that oxygen supplies are this low? The court had also asked, why is it that industrial oxygen was not diverted for medical use earlier? Now, I'm at the Rajiv Gandhi Super Speciality Hospital in Shahadra right now, and I can show you there is this family here who's brought a patient who's a COVID patient. They've been here since early this morning, and they're being told that there are no beds or oxygen available. And let me just, you can see the police and the hospital staff are asking the family to take the patient away because there is no bed or space available in this hospital. So,
Right, Anisha.
क्या arrangement हो रहा है यहाँ पे? भाई साहब, आप सुबह से आए हुए हैं ना?
जी, मैं सुबह 4 बजे घूम रहा हूँ सारे प्राइवेट हॉस्पिटलों में लेकर, कहीं भी नहीं मिल रहा।
और यहाँ क्या कह रहे हैं?
यहाँ इन्होंने मना कर दिया। मैंने बोला आप ऑक्सीजन दे दीजिए प्लीज, हमें बेड नहीं चाहिए, ऑक्सीजन कम से कम दे दीजिए ताकि मरीज की जान बच जाए, बाकी टेस्ट तो बाद में हो जाएंगे। अगर बेड अवेलेबल होगा तो दे दीजिए, कम से कम फिलहाल तो अभी तो जान तो बचाना जरूरी है ना।
हाँ जी, ये as you can see, Nabila, this lady is the patient and she is having trouble breathing. She is gasping, and you can see that her situation is very bad. But right now, there is nothing that is available here. The hospital administration has said that they cannot take her in. In fact, the hospital administration has also informed us that Rajiv Gandhi Super Speciality Hospital also has only about 2 hours worth of oxygen left, and they have about 900 900 patients in total. This hospital also has about 450 ICU beds, which are completely full. So the situation you can see in the city is very, very dangerous right now. This is a district hospital run by the government, of Delhi, and even this hospital is running out of oxygen. We've got reports of several other hospitals also reporting that they are running out of oxygen supplies. And though the centre and the Delhi government were directed last night to ensure oxygen supplies, the centre has said that the quota for Delhi has been increased. Supplies have not yet reached the city. Back to you.
This is really scary scenes and situation that we see on ground. Anisha, they're bringing us a first-hand account of a patient right outside the Rajiv Gandhi Hospital there, gasping for breath, wanting oxygen, but unfortunately has been turned away by the hospital.
Hi everyone, Preeti Chaudhary here. Hope you like this video. For latest news and analysis, like and subscribe to the India Today YouTube channel. And don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated. Thank you for watching.